Bori is exceptional leader.
People are joking about nomads that we have commitment issues all the time, we cannot commit to anything, but hey.
Can you share the philosophy behind the way you shape the program?
Here we are not weird. We find the people who are equally weird. If you look around, we all look like we're coming out from a Wes Anderson movie.
What's coming next?
Oh, dum dum dum. Everybody's like, yep, see you there, see you there, see you there. Do you talk about this?
I have not actually. I forgot.
I have to say, I think Nomad Cruise is addictive.
Yes.
So, warning for everybody.
I can confirm that.
Yeah.
It is addictive. Hello, I'm here with Bori. Yes, that's right. That person who wrote the very first article at the very first Nomad Gossip magazine. But this person is phenomenon not only because of that, because of many other things. But the main thing is that Nomad Cruise happened and organized by Bori. And all of these workshops, people, incredible experience, it's all thanks to her. Hello.
Hi everybody.
Today is the last day, unfortunately, of the Nomad Cruise, and we are today coming to Japan. How do you feel about that?
Right now I'm super tired, as you can probably see. She just got me before the whole conference, no makeup whatsoever, but we already can see land out there. There's Japan, and I'm really excited to land in Japan. Never been super excited, and I feel really good about the Nomad Cruise as well, the program actually. I feel happy.
How you felt before the Nomad Cruise when nothing happened yet, and right now?
I mean, there's always this a little bit of an anxiety. I always have a dream before Nomad Cruise. I don't know if I ever told you this, but ever since I'm running things around here, and even when I was not running, I had this returning dream that we have the welcome ceremony and something comes up. We either forget to book a venue or we forget to tell the people that we have an opening ceremony. Or last time, the founder, Johannes, didn't like my outfit. So usually have these returning dreams before going to the cruise, and I only had one this time, so I was a little bit anxious. But now I'm feeling super happy. I think it worked even better than I expected. We came out with a new program, a new kind of experience. That I think we always ran things around here, but we just like balanced it out a little bit more based on what people wanted and what we think is better in 2024, because things change, you know?
Yeah. Can you share the philosophy behind the way you shape the program?
So previously we were a conference, and I mean we still have a conference part, but we started slowly adding extra parts. So for example, we added the Piranha Tank, which is the local version of Shark Tank. We added our own talent show. We added now the story time. So we had all these extra parts which help people shine. And what we realized that in order to create this community, the best way to do that is to help people step forward. And in order to help people step forward, what we need to do is step backwards. So the more I can go backwards, the more people can come and show their talents, their skills. They can help each other. This was a game changer, I think, for us.
What was your favorite moment of this program on this cruise?
So we implemented new versions. We have karaoke and open mic now because we realized we had so many talented people that they actually don't fit in the talent show. So we just decided we're gonna go nonchalant about it and then have karaoke. I mean, we are going to Japan, so we need to practice. And we also added open mic because we used to have jam sessions, but everybody knows about the jam sessions now, so we needed a bigger space. And I think those two were my absolute favorites.
I'm not sure if you had time to talk with any people who came to this cruise. Can you already describe who those people who came to this group specifically, and are there any different from the previous cruises? How you have been in many different Nomad cruises. Can you see if the audience evolves, changes, or it stays pretty much same?
I declined. No, sorry. No, of course. I love everybody who showed up here, and it's always interesting because, of course, we were coming from Vancouver, so usually we go from Europe to somewhere. So, of course, we had more North Americans, but I have to say that the basic values that we share is always universal. So we have kindness, respect, consent, curiosity, and I could still feel the same in all these people who showed up on the conference.
Can you share of what's coming next on the big trip Nomad Cruise that will come on 10th of year's anniversary of Nomad Cruise?
You mean program-wise, or?
No, what's planned for the Nomad Cruise?
Oh, dum dum dum. So
Yeah,
we're gonna
dum
go.
dum.
We're gonna go from Seattle to Hawaii, to Fiji, to Samoa, to Vanuatu, and to Sydney. It's a 27-day cruise. 28, 27. We don't know because we're gonna cross the international date line, and I'm always super confused about that. But yeah, the itinerary is insane, and we already had so many people pre-book it. So it's so fun because we launched it like 2 days ago, and already everybody's like, "Yep, see you there, see you there, see you there." I have to say, I think Nomad Cruise is addictive.
Yes.
Warning for everybody.
I can confirm that.
Yeah.
It is addictive.
Yeah, like what I felt here, it's that there were so many people coming up to me that I know for 7, 8 years even. And we never actually stopped, and this is what I'm going to talk about it in the closing ceremony, that we never actually stopped and saying, hey, we found home for 8 years, and people are joking about nomads that we have commitment issues all the time, we cannot commit to anything, but hey, we commit to Nomad Cruise. And isn't it like crazy that we actually just like slip, that we always come back, because here we are not weird, here we find the people who are equally weird. If you look around, we all look like we're coming out from a Wes Anderson movie. We are all a little bit quirky, we're all a little bit weird, and finally it just feels normal to be here.
Yes,
It's
we're
nice.
all amazing and we feel here home. It's going to be 27 days. Here, this cruise was 12 days. Do you have any ideas how you organize the program for the whole month?
With a lot of space.
I'm not sure if you had any minute to think about it.
Yeah, I do. I heard, but I knew about this for a while, of course. So I definitely would like to keep the us stepping back so people can move forward concept. I think our role, but we'll double check it with Johannes. I think our role is that we are creating a space where people can share what they have, and I think and Johannes will agree on that. So our role is to create and facilitate these spaces. So whether it is a program or it's just a space that we create for them to connect during breakfast or having a meetup. Overall, I have to say we need to be a little bit more careful on how are we going to run the program, because 28 days might sound, first off, a little bit like it's eating too much ice cream. So we need to make sure that we have ice cream every 4 day or something like this, not all the time.
Thank you. Is there anything else you would like to add and I didn't ask you about?
I don't know if you guys know, but she is part of the team big time. Do you talk about this?
I have not actually. I forgot.
So yeah, she's been part of the team, and then what happened in the past couple of days is that, couple of weeks, is that we created a new form on how we are working together, and I think that was one of the best thing on this particular Nomad Cruise, how we felt like how important it is, how we communicate with each other, like the people who are organizing it, because if we keep the values that we have for Nomad Cruise, and then we represent the values within each other. We are kind to each other, we're respectful, we are curious. Then we actually can create a so much better and comfier environment for everybody else.
Yes, and make a very healthy environment where we are very efficient, organized, remember everything. And I can hear great feedback from people that the conference is very well organized. Everything in time, everything works, everyone knows where to go, and great communication. And this year we have Nomad Cruise has a new app that tells everyone what's the schedule going to be. So I'm very impressed by organization, and I am honored to be part of the team and bringing some my touch to this well-organized conference. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I want to add that Bori is an exceptional leader the one
Aw.
that trusts her team, gives a lot of space for freedom and creativity. She trusts that everyone knows their role and make things happen even better she would expect it. And I love that about her.
Aw,
And
thanks.
anyone, she doesn't allow any wrong environment and creates always this positive, supportive space for every single person in the team. Thank you. I'm
Thank
I'm
you.
I'm honored to work with you.
Right back at you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.